Here are some points for your reflection. The first point is, recall experiences of Jesus Himself confronting the forces of death for you. Alalahanin mo ang mga karanasan na kung paanong si Jesus mismo ang humarap sa mga puwersa ng kamatayan para sa iyo. The second point is, how could we bring Jesus to the experiences of death in our neighborhoods? Paano natin madadala si Jesus sa mga karanasan ng kamatayan sa ating mga tinitirhang lugar? My friends, thank you for joining me this morning. May the Lord present in the Scriptures make your heart burn for love of Him and move you to love others. Until next Sunday, only here on The Word Exposed.
Purihin siya at ating ibunyag. Awitan siya. Pagliligtas ng Diyos nasa krus ni Jesus ang siyang sa